I'm pursuing a BA in General Studies, and all 4 of my courses this semester have assigned research papers. So I'm using the UVic Library's subject guides. From the library's homepage, the Research Help tab leads to the subject guides. Each guide offers research tools like databases, websites, videos, and more, which focus on their specific field. I'm studying anarchism, film studies, indigenous governance, and physics. I can find each subject guide by typing it into the search box, browsing it by alphabetical order, or by subject librarian. Since anarchism is already visible, I'll open that one first. These tabs at the top of the screen provide information specific to anarchism. Since I need scholarly articles, I'll click on Find Journals. This succinct little list of databases sure is organized for a page on anarchism. Let's see what the Indigenous Governance page looks like. Tracy is the Indigenous Governance Librarian. I can call, email, or visit her in person for more help, but first I'll browse the page. I can get citation help, primary sources, and even statistics all about Indigenous governance. Kathleen is the Physics Librarian. The Physics Guide has a lot to offer. I wonder why I can't just Google. Looks like there are more videos after this one.